What's up, guys? We're going to talk about what a stop loss is and how to use it. So, a stop loss will sell your position once it falls a certain amount below the price that you set from the price you bought. So, for example, if you bought a contract at $1 and you put a 20% stop loss, if the price of the contract fell below 80 cents or when it fell to 80 cents, it would immediately sell it for you. There are different types of stop losses: a regular stop loss, a trailing stop, and a mental stop. A trailing stop loss will sell your position when it falls a certain amount that you set from the current price of the position. So let's say you have a 20% stop loss and you buy a contract at $1. If the contract goes up to 150, or let's say it goes up to $2, if it goes down 20% from $2, so to 180, it will sell it. So the 20% stop loss is trailing the current price of the contract. That should make sense. And then we have a mental stop loss. Now, this isn't a type of order, but call a mental stop basically not putting a stop loss on, but stopping out when they mentally feel like they should. Stop losses are great for minimizing risk, especially in options, especially in 0 day till expiry options. A few candles can wreck your position. The stop loss that you set for yourself has to depend on your risk tolerance in the trade you're taking. This can vary and it will vary for different types of trades, different strikes, expiries, the amount you're putting into the trade, but it's all up to your risk tolerance and you have to manage your risk accordingly. Guys, if you're getting into any type of options trading, you absolutely need to have a stop loss. I've had so many times where I've placed an order on 0 day till expiry options. I walk away for a few minutes and I'm down 60%. That's just how it goes in options. So you're going to need to have at least a trailing stop, a mental stop, or a tight stop loss. For a mental stop, you can't walk away. You have to be watching it every single second. A trailing stop is good and a stop loss is good. Now, to get into the percent stop loss, that's up to you and your risk management. Some trades I do a 5% stop, 10%, 15, 20. That being said, what I personally do is I trade with a mental stop, especially if it's 0 day trade options. If I'm overnighting or swinging something, I'll put maybe a 20% stop loss. But when I'm scalping in the day, it's always a mental stop because I'm always watching the price action. I don't want to have a certain stop loss in place, like 10%, when MMs can wreck that in one candlestick move, and then it can move back up. So I use a mental stop loss, but you're going to have to figure out what's right for you. Again, it's up to your risk tolerance. So I hope that clears up what a stop loss is and how to use it.